37th time I have spoken to you from the source, where so many decisions have been made that shape the history of this nation. Each time I have done so to discuss with you, some matter that I believe affected by the national interest. In all my decisions, in all the decisions I have made in my public life, I always try to do what was the best for my country, for the nation. Throughout the long and difficult period of Watergate, I have felt that it was my duty to persevere, to make every possible effort to complete the term of office to which we elected. In the past few days, however, it has become evident to me that I no longer have strong enough political base in the Congress to justify continuing that effort. I would have prepared for the finish, whatever the personal agony would have been involved. And my family unanimously urged me to do so. But the interests of the nation must always come before any personal considerations. From the discussions I have had with the congressional and other leaders, I have concluded that I might not have the support of the Congress. That I consider necessary to back that I consider necessary that I would consider necessary to back the very difficult decisions and carry out the duties in the office in the way the interest of the nation will require. I have never been to leave office before my term is completed. It is abhorrent